I always install these three apps on my system, free apps. So first one is this one, Sysinternals suite. So this is basically a security tool by which you can see all the processes, what's going on with the deep analysis, and this is very good for keeping your PC secure. How? Let me show you. Go to the Microsoft this website learn.microsoft.com, or you can even search here this tool name Sysinternals download, and come over to this website and you will see here download internals suite. Click on the download option and then you can extract it, and let me show you its feature here. When you double click on the extracted folder on your system, and you should able to get these kind of windows. Look for the option auto run 64.exe. Right click on it and run it as admin. Hit yes, and now it will show you all the details which are running on our system. And if you want to do deep analysis on this, so you can do that, and we can do it with the help of, when you select any apps here, then you can look for its network provider, boot execute, and its image path, and the details of date, and the publisher. So by this way you should able to get all the details here. And for the more details, let me show you. Let's say if someone is suspicious on your system, that's publisher is not showing up here, then you can look for that app. How? Let me show you that app. So let's say this is some suspicious activity going on our system, and you don't know that app, so simply you can right click on it. Let's say this is the Intel one. This is known publisher but just showing you. And then open processes explorer. Now it will show you all the details here, including the path here. When you click on that app, that should be showing up to you. When you hover up this app, you will see all the details here. So let me show you the Google Chrome. For, let's say this app is unknown on a system and it is running, then you can right click on it and go to its properties, and you can see here TCP IP connection. It is connected with these local addresses, and you should able to get the IP addresses of that app that is unknown on a system. Image is here, the path is here, so you can directly kill that path and kill that software with the help of this tool. So let's say you want to delete that, right click and simply kill the process. Even you can search that is unknown. So let's say you are getting some unauthorized app which is running on your system without any publisher, so you can simply right click on that. Let me show you that as well. So let's say you don't know about this process, right click and simply click on search online, and you will see here all the details is showing up here. Similarly, you can look for this and then search online. Basically you can gather more information here about that app. So this is very good tool to analyze on a system what's going on. Now let's move on to the second number tool, and that name is Wintoy. Wintoy is also good tool for improving our system performance, and I have already installed that as well. Wintoy, you can get this tool from the Microsoft Store. Search here Wintoy and click on get. Wintoy, hit yes. And you will see here the details like this: processes, services, all the detail. But we can go to the performance. You can choose the power plan here accordingly, adjust to the best performance or normal one. Then startup apps you can configure. You can disable all the startup apps here like this. And background apps, you can also disable all of the background apps with just one click. Visual settings, so you can click on the side and configure the system like I have done. Search index, delivery optimizations, gaming searching background, and startup apps. Let's click on the options, health. And when you see the health, fast startup, cleanup tools, you can run these tools temporarily and junk files directly without pressing window NR and going manually step by step here. Store, network cache, system restore cache, storage sense, you can also enable it from here, and then you can choose the setting here like this. And the cool feature it has is system repair. You can repair your system with these commands. The powerful command is included in this app. System diagnostic test, you can also run it and then restart your system directly. System update, you can configure it as manual so that new Windows can't update automatically on the system. You can look for check for update only. Driver update, slipping, all the things you can tweak the changes here as well. You can see the ads, you can turn off all the ads. System and task, you can enable that, and when you enable that you can see it's coming up here. But when we disable that, it's not coming up here. Okay, it is still coming up here, so we can reopen it. Okay, it's gray out now since we have disabled that. And once we enable that from here, the end button is will be showing up here, this one. So this is the app and by which you can create and handle your system smoothly without any issues. Next one is this RAMMap. This is for clearing up the RAM cache on your system. So I will link these description box into my description box. And when you, these are the portable apps, just you have to unzip these apps, don't need to install on our system, just keep it, and you can see. So when you open it, agree, you will see here lot of memory cache. When you go to the task manager on our system and look for the options here, memory, and you will see here RAM cache is 4 GB in my system. So let's clear it. It's still opening up. Now it has launched. So when you go to the empty here, click on empty standby. Now we can see it has deleted the cache for 4 GB and now it's just 97 MB. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.